So now that we have kind of our image and we want to show, say, hey, I have a background or I have a logo, right? And we want to kind of remove the background. So let me try to find something with a background. So here's me, and we're going to delete this. Right, there's me. Right, so there's this image and it's me. But I don't want all those bookshelves, right? You can then go to update the transparency, how bright I want to be, sitting in the forward or the back. And you can also ask it to bring the color forward or backwards, right? Let's try to get one with a background to remove. Let's see. Here, this has, I think, a background. So we're going to say edit photo. So you hit edit photo and you'll get this, the background remover. And it'll remove your background. See, because now C21 shows up. So it will remove your backgrounds out of things if you don't necessarily want that and you just want to put only your logo. But you may have your logo attached to your business card and you can't pull it out and you're not unsure how to do it. So that's another way to kind of pull your backgrounds out. You can move things forward or backwards. You can position things, which layer you want to arrange. Bring it forward, bring it backwards, send to back. So you can change things to overlap on, as you can see, your images. There's 3 layers. This one, picture of me, and then my business logo. So that's kind of a way to add your logo into things and brand yourself as an agent.